Stop Windows 10 data drain. Easy tips to save mobile data. 2 ways to monitor Windows 10 data usage. First, let's open Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Once Task Manager is open, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Click on the App History tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps along with their CPU time and network usage. You can also sort the apps by their network usage by clicking on the Network column. This will help you quickly identify the apps that are using the most data. If you want to reset these stats and start fresh, you can click on Delete Usage History at the top. This can be useful if you want to monitor data usage from a specific point in time. And that's it. And to check your data usage, start by opening the Settings app. Once in Settings, click on Network and Internet. And click on Data Usage button. You can see exactly how much data each app has been using. This is super handy for pinpointing any data-hungry apps that might be eating up your bandwidth. How to stop Windows 10 from using so much data. To disable Windows Update, you'll want to go to the Windows search bar, type Services, and then click on Services from the search results. Once in the Services app, scroll down until you find Windows Update in the list, and right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, under the General tab, you'll see a drop-down menu next to Startup Type. Change this from Manual to Disabled. After making this change, click Apply and then OK to save your setting. To set up a metered connection, first, click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. In the Settings app, go to Network and Internet. Now, select your Wi-Fi network from the list and click on Properties. Here, you'll see an option to set your connection as metered. Toggle the switch to On. Your Wi-Fi connection is now set as metered, which means Windows will limit background data usage to help you save data. To turn off background apps, start by opening the Settings app. Go to Privacy. Now, on the left-hand menu, click on Background Apps. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can run in the background. Simply toggle the switch off for any app you don't want running in the background. This will prevent them from fetching data or updates unless you launch them manually. To disable setting synchronization, open the Settings app. In the Settings app, go to Accounts. Now, on the left-hand menu, click on Sync Your Settings. Here, you'll see various settings that can be synchronized across devices, such as theme, passwords, and more. To disable setting synchronization, simply toggle the switch under Sync Settings to Off. To disable Microsoft Store updates, open the Microsoft Store app. In the Microsoft Store, click on your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to the App Updates section. Here, you'll find an option labeled App Updates. Click on the toggle switch next to Update Apps Automatically to turn it off.